welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper boomerang. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. So I'm going to take a rectangular piece of paper of length 30 centimeter. So you guys can take any color you like, and you can take any rectangular sheet of paper with any centimeter that measures. So the next step is that we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So after we complete this, we're supposed to fold this paper in half one more time, like this. So the next step is that I'm going to take the top part and I'm going to fold both sides of the top part to form a triangle like this. So now I'm going to be opening it, and I'm going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now I'm opening this paper and I'm opening one side of the paper as well. And now I'm just going to be folding this paper like this to form a structure like this. So now I'm going to be folding this paper downwards. So first I'm just sharpening the edges and I'm folding it down like this. So after we complete this, I'm folding this paper down as well. And I'm just going to be opening this paper and I'm folding it like this. So we have to do this slowly. And I'm folding the top part as well. So now I'm going to be opening this part over here and I'm going to be putting this part inside. So I'm just folding this part inside here and I'm folding this part on top of it. So I'm just keeping my hands inside to make this part go inside. So after we complete this, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it like this. So after we complete this, I'm just folding the paper a little bit. I'm opening it here and I'm folding it one time to form a triangle like this. And I'm closing it and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it again to form a triangle on the opposite side. So I'm repeating the same step on this side of the paper as well. So I'm folding the paper in an inverse direction and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it on this side. So after we complete this, our paper boomerang is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper boomerang, and it is useful too. So you can play with this whenever you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!